Jamaican, and I wanted to just talk a little bit about gratitude and how important it is. And I know when we talk about gratitude, we assume that it's just giving thanks for what we have. And that's nice and good, and that's the way to go about it. But sometimes when you kind of shackle yourself into gratitude being giving thanks for what you have, there comes a moment in your life when you start to compare, and then gratitude becomes what started off as something that should have propelled you to peace becomes something that is causing you misery, because you're now comparing that, okay, I don't have this, that person has that, okay, I want this, I don't have this. So gratitude, when it's just wrapped up into giving praises for what you have, sometimes that can become I don't want to say bad, but sometimes it can become hectic. So instead, I would just suggest that gratitude should be more so, or you should lean into gratitude in the direction of appreciation for everything that is. Everything that is. So it may not even be yours, but you're so grateful for it because you have such a deep sense of appreciation. The sun, the rain, the tree that gives you shade, just this appreciation for it can cultivate a sense of gratitude that is a lot more lasting than the one where you are just solely employing gratitude because of what you have. Because there will be moments in your life when what you have is taken away from you. So gratitude, you cannot build gratitude on the foundation of what you have, but rather than build gratitude on a foundation of what is. And when you do that, you realize that there is infinite amount of things for you to be grateful about. Gratitude just becomes so much more prominent when you stop trying to size up what you have to give gratitude for, but what is already in existence for you to appreciate. And you'll see that everything is there for you to appreciate. You just have to look through life through that lens. Yeah, so just go forth the spirit of gratitude and be well. There's not much to say, but just be well. Life is okay. The sun is still shining. The breeze is still blowing. You are okay. Maybe how you are seeing the world may not be okay, but the world is perfectly fine. Until next time, be happy, be well, be whatever. Bye.